Hi guys, and thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you an Aldi grocery haul. I really was not planning on going to the grocery store, but we did need some items. This side, Josiah's going to show you his costume that he's going to go trick-or-treating in, and he is so excited. So, we don't celebrate Halloween or anything, but they do go get candy trick-or-treating. So, Si, who are you?
I'm Marshall.
You Marshall from Paw Patrol?
Mm-hmm.
So you're a Dalmatian. So he wore his little costume at the gym, and he wore his costume in Aldi, and everybody just loved it. Okay, you gonna say bye?
Bye.
Get it out your mouth though. Okay guys, so let's start over here with this haul. I am tired. I had to eat before I did this haul, so I need to hurry and put this stuff up. And I went to Wendy's and I got the apple. No, Jason got the apple harvest salad. I brought him that salad. But it's another one. I can't remember what it is. Oh, it has blue cheese in it and it has green apples. But I think his was the apple harvest. Apple harvest bacon, I believe his is. But anyway, I had to eat because I was like blood sugar low. But anyway, I picked up some tilapia. I spent a total of $141. Yeah, $141. I picked up 2 bags of tilapia. Let's see. Some jumbo shrimp here. I need to turn on my overhead light. Some crinkle cut fries. Some tomato ketchup. And some low fat chocolate milk. Some chicken wings. I'm going to go ahead and make these today. These are $8.99, and that's better. I'm going to make these today, and I know in the past sometimes I have made food. I think I made like them a little Halloween party. You probably can find it somewhere in the playlist somewhere in my videos. And I made pizza and wings and something else, some cupcakes. I do have some funfetti cupcakes that I'm going to go ahead and make right quick. And what was I gonna say? Because they had the candy, they really didn't eat their food. So I'm gonna make it anyway. But what I'm gonna have is I'm gonna have chicken. I think I'm gonna make these in the air fryer, and I'm gonna have like some green beans or some kind of greens. I'm not gonna mess with any pizza, especially that pizza, because it's really thick. The thick and chunky hot salsa, 2 things of the orange juice because they go through it really fast. The raspberry lemonade. I picked up the extra fine green beans. I didn't, in case you guys saw this, I didn't pick these up today. I set them here because I wanted some in my salad. And yeah, and I was looking for them and I couldn't find them. So I picked up another pack I think Jason got from Walmart. Okay, so I picked up some mini peanut butter sandwich crackers. I got these for Saya. And I figured, I asked him, he always asks for the goldfish. He loves peanut butter and jelly. So, and he loves crackers. So I said, Josiah, let's try with the peanut butter and crackers together. And actually, it's probably better to just make them yourself. But sometimes when you're trying to get out the door, you want to throw some in a Ziploc bag. But you know what? You have to be careful. You can't take that anyway to like, well, he doesn't go to daycare. But if he goes to the gym, he can't take that because it's peanut butter. But you guys know what I'm saying. So I picked up 2 of the Mega Meat, the Ultimate 5 Meat Pizza, the Caesar croutons. JJ, that's you? Nobody didn't lock the door. Okay, so the honey wheat bread. You locked the door back? Yeah. You have a good day? You look spiffy in your clothes. Okay, so some stuffing cornbread. They have this seasonal. This is $1.99. So I picked up one for Thanksgiving and one for, I want to go ahead and make that recipe, which is the chicken casserole that I have been supposed to have made a long time ago to show you guys and share the recipe. And yeah, so they probably not gonna get Pepperidge Farm this year because they have this. But yeah, this is seasonal. They don't usually have it in the bag. And then also some pears for Jason and some onions. And speaking of Thanksgiving, I have created a little not booklet, yeah, booklet, I guess. And it's taking me forever to finish it, and I'm almost done. So I'm gonna hurry up and get that done so I can share it with you guys of like some meal ideas and a master grocery list that you can use, or staples that you can have around the fall and Thanksgiving time. So that'll be helpful for you. And then I also have some videos that I talked about getting ready for Thanksgiving as well. And I really just put that in a document form. So I will link those videos if you need those videos. And then I will also, when I have that available, that little book, I wouldn't call it an ebook, but a little brochure, I will make sure I put that in the description box. Okay, so I saw this in the flyer last week and I was like, I don't know, but I want to try this, the creative lettering, and I think this would be really neat too when you have projects. Well, I don't have any projects. I mean, maybe some projects to do, or you need to write something for on invitations if you're doing a party or something like that. So I thought this would be really neat to have creative lettering. And it has like a sketchbook in here, and then the instructions over here on how to do it. And then here is just a sketchbook. I wish it had like a DVD, but it's probably so many videos on YouTube. And then, and also for your planner, so all you planner girls. And then the calligraphy masterclass art maker, and they had two more, one for coloring, and I can't remember what the other one was, but I wasn't interested in those. And this one is a 3-nab starter kit plus instructional book and exercise pad. And I know Michael's had like some kind of handwriting pad and stuff, but I wasn't paying attention at the time. I think I was getting trail ready to go off to school, so I wasn't paying any mind when everybody was talking about it on Instagram, the planner girls. So this is neat, this little handwriting book, the Gothic Fundamental Hand. And then it has like a book over here, instructional book, and then all of your tools you need. These were $9.99, too much. But I thought that would be something nice to have and to learn, especially if I do like events and planning for somebody. Okay, so I picked up 2 of the taco seasoning, 2 of the marinara pasta sauce, and that is for some meatball subs. So we had that, and that was really good. So what I did was I mixed ground turkey with ground sausage. JJ, make sure he don't want his food for you eat it. Ask him, because he was just eating. And that was really good together. So I also picked up Josiah some goldfish. She asks for it every time. Some Boulder twin lock freezer bags to make like my own smoothie. So have the bags already ready with the spinach and the frozen pre-made bags. Here is Jason's plums. And then a banana. Josiah said he was getting his own banana. So I was like, Josiah, go put it back. And then he just went flying in the middle of the place in front of everybody. Not a care in the world. He was in everybody's way. Then I picked up, of course, the big thing of bananas. Some tomatoes. Jason. Here's some peanut butter cookies over here. Peanut butter patty, chocolate cookies. Some celery for that chicken casserole. I already have chicken already. And 2 of the flour tortillas. Over here I have some light sour cream. Some broccoli florets, the frozen kind. And then I picked up some biscuit ham slices. These go really fast in my store because I don't see them all the time, but I know they have them. The fresh ground turkey, I got the 1.2 pounds. And then the 80-20 ground beef for tacos one night. This is a 2.28 size. And then the green seedless grapes. These were 89 cents a pound, which were great. And I really wanted some of these. Instead of getting chips or whatever, I'll come down here and get some grapes instead. And I noticed, because I'm a night owl, that I usually want something in the evening and I don't even want anything. I just think that I want something. And let's see, I'm 2 years post-op now. So she told me, like, I think after a year, she said that like your munchies and stuff start coming back, and she's absolutely right. You know, of course you get full faster, but some of your old ways will come back. So you have to watch that. So I do catch myself like picking up something that's not bad, but I need to switch it and pick up something that's good. And I think that's just everybody though. So, but I'm more conscious of it now. And I'm like, oh, I'm going to eat this anyway. Okay, so they also have the green trios, which I really like. And I had to look really hard. What is this made? What exactly is in here? I think I picked this up before. It's just been a minute. And of course it's back here in the bag. The collard greens, kale, mustard greens, and turnip greens. This is a small bag. Small bag, but it's small enough. That's all I need if I just want some. But I don't want to overdo it with certain things like the stuffing and the greens or whatever. And don't want it for Thanksgiving. And I think this year I'm going to do my menu a little different. And I'm hoping that Aldi will sell a turkey fryer so I can get that. But I haven't seen them talk about it yet. They're probably going to put it in there at the last minute. I do have one, the butterball one, but it's like a short in it. So, and you don't want to have a turkey on Thanksgiving because that has happened. And it's gotten not too hot, but it just, when it starts getting hot, it will shut off or whatever. Okay, so then I have these deli rolls, the center split. And I probably need to YouTube it because my mother-in-law's boyfriend told me he wanted it. And he was saying all I needed to do was something, but he didn't want to tell me what it was. And I was like, so you want my turkey fryer so you can fix it? And then I had to go buy a brand new one. So I'll probably YouTube it. So then maybe I just go and buy the piece off of Amazon. Radio Shack is gone. Or whatever. Okay, so some mozzarella cheese for the meatball subs. And then some taco style cheese for that. That's what the deli rolls are for. These are $1.99. Oh, guys, and then my Aldi finally in my area has Instacart. So I'm definitely going to be using that because I was struggling today bringing this stuff in the house. Jason was like knocked out, sleep upstairs. And then he comes downstairs when I got everything inside. And of course, Josiah's just a tad bit of help. But yeah. So I'm going to do Instacart sometime. If I see that my total is no different, but I was looking at the prices and most of the prices are about the same. But I do know when I shop at Food Line with Instacart, my groceries are a whole lot more. And I'm not about that life. But anyway, I picked up some spinach to make some smoothie bags with the fruit and all that so I can have my smoothie. And then some Kerrygold butter. I like this. And then some eggs. And I didn't need any eggs. But usually when we have eggs, we use a whole dozen at one time. And then some ground turkey. I went ahead and picked up the big thing of this. This is $5.99. And then the moo tubes for Sasa. So I think that's it, guys. Am I missing anything? Oh no, I wanted to show you guys this. So I couldn't, guys, I've been looking at Harris Teeter everywhere. Food Line, our Kroger closed in our area. I don't think there's any Krogers in the Triangle area. I think all of them closed. So I did notice, and I've been looking at Walmart, and I think Walmart's Thomas Bagels right now, I don't know if they substitute the maple French toast for the pumpkin spice ones right now. I don't know, because I can't find them. I only found them that one time when I shared it with you guys. Or was it 2 times? But anyway, I've noticed that they replaced it with a Sam's Choice Cinnamon Twist French Toast Bagel. I don't remember how much these were. But I picked these up the other day. And I probably need to freeze because I don't eat bagels all the time. But I've been wanting them. And this is good with like a boiled egg. And then what else? Some bacon strips or whatever. And so I probably need to freeze it so it can last. Freeze 3 of them because I don't eat it all the time. And is that it that I want to share with you guys? I thought it was something else, but that's it. So guys, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I didn't do a meal plan, but we're having tacos. We're having wings tonight. If they want pizza with it. Tacos one day. Subs, meatball subs another day.